Okay, we're going to evaluate rate and time to find distance. So this is the example problem they give us. Find the distance d, right here, d, traveled in 2 hours by a race car going an average speed of 180 miles per hour. Use this formula, or use the formula, distance equals rate, which is r, multiplied by time t. So to write that out, distance d, right here, equals rate r. So we'll put equals, because distance equals rate r. So we'll put r for the rate, multiplied, and I could put a dot here for the multiplication, by time, which is going to be t. Okay, so there's the formula we got to use to find the distance traveled. We want to find things that are given. Let's see, find the distance. So we're going to try and find the distance traveled in 2 hours. Oh, they give us some time, 2 hours. So underneath our time, we could put 2, and we'll label it with hours because those are their units they're giving us. By a race car going an average speed of 180 miles per hour. 180 miles per hour, that's rate. Miles per hour, it's a rate. So the rate, we could put 180, and then let's put our multiplication sign. We need to put miles per hour, kind of squeeze that in there. Let me move all this up. Alright, and then that equals d. And we want the rate now. So notice we got 180 times 2. And we just take that and multiply them. So let's see here. 180, let's see. Actually, let me do this. Let's do this here. We got to expand that because that's too squeezed together. D equals 180 miles, and then this is an hour because it's miles per hour, times 2, and then hours. Now the hours here, we can actually turn that into a fraction. We'll just put 1 underneath it. Now we can take our numbers, 2 times 180, and then that's going to equal 360. And then if we cross multiply, well, actually we can cancel these out because remember cross canceling, hours can go into hours one time. So then all we're left with is just an m on top for the numerator, and then the 1 on the bottom, which is just going to be m. Bring our d down. Our distance is 360 miles.